Niggas send me all the way to Puerto Rico to blow the roof up. It's crazy. That is crazy, man. That is crazy, man.
Oh, we gonna hold on, man.
Alright, we out. Come on, we out.
Security.
Yeah.
We just gave him some juice. And some water, man.
Oh, Black Hunt get some water.
Go! Take the basketball court.
That's why I play ball and shit.
I promise we're not.
Yo, call security. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Get them the fuck out of here.
Call security.